how to add interesting lighting in your home using Dollar Tree items. Hey guys, Cedar Essentials here. For today's video, I'm going to be adding interesting lighting to this staircase area. And I'll be using some Dollar Tree items, but first I'm going to cover it up with the wallpaper that I already have. And the link for this particular design of wallpaper is going to be down in the description box below. This is a brick design, and I really love the fact that it's just going to be at that little area there on the staircase. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. You'll be seeing a couple of movements around. That's because work is still going on in the house. I'll be making a design for lighting that I'm going to be putting here. And I thought about using Dollar Tree napkin holders at first. But I then remembered that at IKEA, they usually have this nice golden napkin holders that I have always wanted to use for a project. So I'm going to be using these instead. Now with these napkin holders, all I'm going to do is use a motion sensor lighting, and the link for this is going to be down in the description box below. These lightings are going to be attached inside the napkin holders that I got from IKEA, and they come in 6 in the pack. Now I'm using motion sensor because it's more interesting, to have the lights come on when you're climbing up the stairs and going down the stairs. Now these lightings at the back have magnets, which is perfect for my project because that way I don't have to glue anything to the napkin holders. All I have to do is get it close enough to the napkin holder for it to attach itself to the metal. Now all that's left is just to have these mounted on the wall. For the second design, I'll be starting off with chopping mats from the Dollar Tree, and I'll be cutting it to the size that I need for the project. These are Dollar Tree frames that I'm going to be using as well for the project. And I'm going to take off the parts that I don't need anymore and make the cuts that I'll need. I'll be by the sides using an angle cutter. Because I had different sizes of this picture frame at home, I had to reduce the length of some of the sides to make sure that each and every one of them are equal. The next thing I did was to glue down the pieces to the cutout chopping mats. This is another type of the motion sensor lighting that I'll be using for this particular project. It's self-adhesive, and the link for this motion sensor lighting is going to be down in the description box below. The sensor that's here in the middle will have to be open. So I placed what I made on top of it, made a mark there, and made a hole. I glued them together, and then I cut out the excess parts of the chopping mats that were showing by the sides and at the top. Because of the cutting, some sides of the frame It's rough, so I'm going to be covering that with pieces from a mirror mosaic tiles. And the link for this is going to be down in the description box below. I made 6 of these, and this is what they look like on the wall. The lights work best at night. When it detects motion, it comes on. And then when it doesn't detect anything anymore, it just goes off. I really love how these lights turn out, and the before and after is amazing. It just made the place have a different theme, and I love the way it looks. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.